IDE button. I just click this and I just click open folder. That'll give me this file right here. So just click on the path, get the complete path, just click on the path address. In Windows will give you the full path. So yeah, this is my full path here. I called it Cusco Algo. This is just a basic tutorial on how to set up the project folder. I'll probably be making more videos or whatever to explain how the language works and go through a basic course, I guess, right? So yeah, cool. So now I've got the full path. I can just go here, click on open folder, and just paste this bad boy in here, and then just click on mine, and boom, there we go. Now it's open. So yes, I trust the author, blah blah blah, later. That's okay, so I've got that now. Now I'm on my folder, the MQL5. Now, start browsing, opening all your files and stuff, you know. So first of all, it doesn't recognize MQ5 as a language. You have to install some extensions and stuff like that, so we can get pretty colors, you know. No pretty color, only black and white, no good. If I type in MQL5 here, just MQL, I've got MQL snippets, syntax, tools, all this amazing stuff. So what do I want? Installing the MQL4 syntax highlighting. This bad boy right here. I don't know what the difference between MQL4 and MQL5 is. It says it can do both, so we're fine. Okay. Click on the big screen, install. I click the install button. So you can press ctrl+P, and then I do like to do a little reload here. Type reload real quick, you know. Okay. Now if I open up my MQL5, look at that, boom, nice and pretty, good colors. Okay, so then I gotta install. Okay, all right. Then install the MQL extension pack. So if I look this bad boy up, extension pack. I'm guessing it's this one. There's no other ones named that, so boom. Install that one, and that'll requirements. Boom. Grab this bad boy. Insert the following into your user settings. So if I do Ctrl+P and I do preferences, open settings, JSON, open user settings JSON here. There we go. I don't have it. Nunny. Grab it again. Okay. Paste that button. What? No. Hello? Copy. Pasta. There we go. Boom. Alright. So file associations. We have MQH to CPP, MQ4 to CPP, and MQ5. This makes it so my thing never sees a single error. This is amazing. Okay. Value is not accepted. Value in. I see. Okay, and that's it regarding syntax. This type of visual here. I don't have. That's fine. Ctrl+shift+T and type in config. And type config. Choose C/issue edit configurations. Edit configurations. JSON. Cool. Cool. Okay. Okay. That's fine. So, if you do this and then you hover one, you Ctrl+B, hover them all. There's one more, and then there you go. Boom. Edit them all at the same time. Save you a lot of work. and then I'm just gonna add an include file here, apparently. Okay, so that will do that. I think I have to add it as capital I. Okay, terminal. Okay, alright. Back to this, I guess. Boom. Then choose the option of create task based on template. Just others. Okay. Okay. Now that should work. I see. Oh, 7 errors.
Some time now, just to see you again. And I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, been fighting ways
Name expected.
to get away, to see you again.
24 error 228 int. Okay, well, at least I think I got it working, so that's good. Variable name expected.
We got millions of reasons
Name expected.
to let it all go.
That work?
Hope we're not too broken.
No. Int
I know I'm not always strong.
name
And I've been counting days to get away, to see you again,
int name expected.
see you again. Been fighting ways to
What?
get away, to see you
What's
again.
dude? What?
Let us escape and fly away tonight.
Okay, what's wrong with mine then? No way. Kill me, bro. How did I not realize it needs a semicolon, bro? I don't have Git. Oh my god. One error. It's the error. That's a warning. It's fine. Let's go! We compiled! Alright, there we go. Boom. First step done. Got something compiling. I don't like this. I don't like the fact that it's red. I'm gonna see if I can change that and make it yellow. Other than that, though, I think we're being chilling. How long have I been streaming for? 44 minutes. Okay. Well, in 44 minutes, holy shit. That's crazy. Alright, well, now I don't need meta editor, so there we go. Now I can just use this bad boy, set up all my stuff here. Yeah, looks works. Great. Alright, that was it for today. I set up the MQ5, and I'm happy with just having that working and getting it ready, so. Alright, cool. Thank you. Bye.